Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with another important job opportunity for 2025 and 2026. So Goldman Sachs is hiring for summer analyst. So 2026 APJ Mumbai FICC and Equity Sales and Trading summer analyst. So job location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. About the program, so their summer analyst program is 9 to 10 week summer internship for student pursuing a bachelor or graduate degree. You will be fully immersed in our day-to-day activity. As a participant, you will attend orientation where you will learn about culture as well as benefit and responsibility. Submitting your application, that is important that each applicant has the opportunity to apply to up to 4 separate business location combination. मीन्स 4 आप अलग अलग कम्बिनेशन में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बट सेम में नहीं कर सकते. ओके, एनी एडिशनल एप्लीकेशन विल बी ऑटो विदड्रॉन. ओके, सो डोंट अप्लाई फॉर मल्टीपल लोकेशंस with same mail id. So this important thing they have mentioned: a single applicant should not create multiple email address to apply additional opportunity. About the division, so global banking and market public FICC and equities में आप लोग सेल्स एंड ट्रेडिंग में वर्क कीजिएगा. सो सिंपली ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी है and summer analyst opportunity, so you should apply. Benefits, they have also mentioned healthcare and medical insurance, holiday and vacation policy, फाइनेंशियल वेलनेस एंड रिटायरमेंट. एंड एक आपका जो टैग लग जाएगा गोल्डमैन सैच का, दैट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल एंड यू माइट गेट PPO इन अपकमिंग डेज. सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू शुड अप्लाई. Coming to other, that is the S&P Global hiring for data analyst campus hiring. So this location is Ahmedabad, India. Category is data management and requisition ID 322944. About the role, so this is grade level 7 and the data analyst basically work on various research report and company document to collect information and aggregate meaningful consensus from collected data. Means simply आपको data को analyze करके करना है. Okay, and this is really a wonderful opportunity, so you should apply. These are some role and responsibility. I will provide link in description, you can get access to this. And talking about that, who are looking or who are eligible for this. So if you are fresher from BCom, BBA, postgraduate, MBA in finance as a major specialization with good academic track, and if you are passing year is 2024, 2025, 26 for PG and 24, 25 for UG. So अगर आप ये pass out है, then you are eligible for this and willingly to work in 24/5 environment in rotational shift and certificate or knowledge of experience in MS Office means Excel, Word, PowerPoint में अगर आपका certificate है, then that will really increase your chance in this hiring. So just click on apply button, then you will redirect to window and just provide all the detail. So this is important opportunity. Coming to one bonus opportunity, that is from the Deloitte. They are hiring for UX design analyst. Eligibility is experienced professional as well as fresher. So both fresher as well as experience are eligible for this, and these are the responsibilities of the job profile. Talking about the job location, so job location is Delhi and no experience is required. Salary is not disclosed and working day will be 5 and job time is in office full time. So this is one of the important opportunity from Deloitte, so go and apply. So I hope this video informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask here, comment here. I regularly post these kind of important job opportunity. So मिलते हैं other job opportunity में. Thank you.